Okay, welcome. This is Full Damage, and what we are doing now is I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla and Bukkit Minecraft server. Okay, so first we'll do the Bukkit because it is, I would say, most popular. There will be a link right here in the top left corner for the vanilla. So this will be 1.7.9, both of these. So first let's start with Craft Bukkit 1.7.9. As you saw, I was here on this page. You can go to alternate versions right there, and then just here I was getting the development build. So we're gonna close out of that for now. Now we're going to go into the folder Bukkit. We're going to take that, move that there. So now it's called Craft Bukkit. We will rename it to server. Now that's just something I do. You can just rename it to Craft Bukkit, but if you're going to do it my way, then you do that. So I'm going to copy this text that I have. Now what most people will do, you just create a new text document. Let me try to make it there. Notepad. You can just double click it. You don't have to do that. So you just paste this text here. Java, this here. Then you can file save as. Change that to all files, and change that to start.bat. So now that's done for that one. And ever since the new 1.8 preparations, there has been a change to where everything is JSON files. So now everything's all different than how it used to be. So once this loads, what you are going to do is see how it says .json now. Most people that won't show, but instead of opening the file and typing up the players and everything, it'll be like this now. So now you can up yourself. Now you don't have to add yourself to the whitelist if you are opt, but just add your friends to the whitelist if you're gonna have whitelist. And I'm sure most people know how to edit the permissions.yml. So MOTD, you can go to Google, search formatting codes, and click on the link for the wiki, and it will show you information on how to change this. It'll just, yeah, that's mostly, this should all explain itself. So, yeah. Now, that is how you do that. Bukkit server done. You have to port forward. I'm not showing that. And just to show you, this is what it's changed to now. Instead of just it used to be that, but now name changes have taken effect. So I believe every time you turn on the server, it changes your name. So now, if you want to make Spigot, all you have to do is you do the same thing as I did, but just download Spigot from cimd5.net. So ci.md-5.net. You can, I believe you can use a Spigot. No. Okay. It is, just go down to Spigot. Yeah, job/Spigot. And you can go to the latest one. And you can click Spigot.jar, just download it. Do the usual. Okay, so that is part 1. If you're just here for Craft Bukkit, then you're done. Okay, now this is vanilla Minecraft now, so we will get out of that, go to download it here, then multiplayer server. I suggest you go to Minecraft server 179, and here it shows that start code. Minecraft server jar, not the exe. I suggest the jar, because there's bugs with the executable. Now that will download. So we will move that to our folder that we want to have it in. Now we'll change this to, rename it to whatever you want, but just please know that you will have to change this to the name, but leave the .jar. So we do text document, just like we did last time, and we'll paste this. We'll file, save as, all documents, start.bat, and now we can delete that and start the server. Okay, now I'm just gonna test something out because I want to. What is that? That's cool. Okay, so basically right here is your console. And right here when it says done, what you can do is, now you can up my player name. You can't, don't up my player name, just up yourself. Type your name, your friend's name, if you want them upped. But something new also that I failed to mention last was, now there you can change the level. You can see that on the wiki, but permission level, all the different things. So yeah, and you can add them to whitelist, but you do not have to be upped. Yeah, you do not have to be upped when, I mean, you don't have to be in the whitelist when you're upped. So thank you, and that'll be all. And today will be the first time that we use that fancy outro video thing box where the things are. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day.